And it is really important for people to stay vigilant and understand that patriotism isn't fully believing in a particular administration. True patriotism is about fighting for your country and its dignity and making sure that the citizens and the constitution of the country is protected and uplifted. Once we believe and protect a particular head of a country, then we lose sight of everything, and that is the biggest sign of trouble to come. And so my fear right now and my biggest worry is when I see people who say, you can't say anything about the president. Because in a democracy, in a country that lives by a constitution that protects the right to free speech, you should be able to criticize your president. You should be able to hold your president accountable. You should be able to expect more without fear, without being looked at as someone who isn't patriotic. And so I hope this particular confusion that a lot of Americans are having about where their allegiance should be, they need to remember that their allegiance is to the Constitution, their allegiance is to their country, their allegiance is to its society, and it isn't about the particular person that is the head of the country.